Most people think you need a complex business plan, a huge investment, or months of work to make extra cash. But what if the most powerful money-making tool you own is already in your pocket? In 2025, your phone can literally be your side hustle. In this video, I'll show you real practical ways to make quick cash using just your phone, in 30 minutes or less a day. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes, but legitimate strategies that can add an extra 50, 100, or even more to your bank account each month. And yes, these are things you can start today, even if you're broke, busy, or a total beginner. This is for anyone with a few spare moments and a desire for more financial freedom. Think about all those little pockets of dead time in your day. You've got free time while waiting for a bus, sitting in class, or chilling after work. Turn that time into cash with micro-task apps. The easiest place to start is with survey platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. You simply take surveys, watch ads, or complete small online offers, and get paid in cash or gift cards. For more task-oriented work, check out Clickworker, where you can do small digital jobs like categorizing images or simple data entry. A pro tip: sign up for several platforms to ensure there's always a task available. You won't get rich, but even $5 to $10 a day adds up fast, especially if you're consistent. That's an extra $150 to $300 a month for your efforts. Got a good camera phone? You have a potential income stream. Platforms like FOP or IM pay you for uploading simple, authentic pictures. Brands are constantly searching for user-generated style content for their ads. Think about what you already capture: nature shots, city streets, your morning cup of coffee, or your pet doing something cute. To maximize earnings, focus on quality with good lighting, and use descriptive keywords when you upload. Think like a marketer searching for an image. You click upload and get paid every time someone downloads your photo. It's true passive income. The demand for human-powered digital services is exploding. Voiceovers, transcription, and AI training gigs are hot right now. Apps like Rev and TranscribeMe let you earn money by listening to audio clips and typing what you hear. Even easier are AI training tasks where companies pay you for data labeling, essentially teaching an AI by identifying objects in photos. But here's a bonus hustle that often pays better: website testing. Companies like User Testing will pay you around $10 for a 20-minute session where you navigate a website and speak your thoughts aloud. This is perfect if you've got 20 to 30 minutes a day and want a reliable side income. Love scrolling TikTok or Instagram? Get paid for it. Small local businesses are often desperate for help with their social media. Offer to edit trendy reels for them using a free app like CapCut. You can easily charge $25 per video, or manage a small brand's social media posts, scheduling content for them. You can also dip your toes into affiliate marketing. This is simpler than it sounds. Join a program like Amazon Associates, and when you genuinely recommend a product you love, share your unique link. You'll earn a small commission when people buy. Authenticity is everything. If you prefer something more hands-on, try flipping. Use apps like Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp to find free or cheap items locally, then flip them for profit. Look for things people are desperate to get rid of: old furniture, baby gear, or electronics. A little cleaning and good photos can dramatically increase an item's value. Example: find a chair for free, clean it, take bright photos against a plain background, list it for $20, and profit in 24 hours. It's that fast. The truth is, you don't need a degree or a full-time job to start earning. With just your phone, you can stack up 50, 100, or even more every month. But remember, consistency beats intensity. 30 minutes of focused effort a day is enough if you stay committed. So my challenge to you is this: pick one idea from this video and spend 15 minutes on it. That first step is the most important one. If you found this useful, share this video with a friend who needs quick cash ideas. Hit that like button and subscribe to Think Too Rich, because next time, I'm sharing how to turn these side hustles into a full-time income, scaling from $100 a month to $1,000 and beyond. You won't want to miss it.